Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about how a theory propounded in the movie The Big Bull, the cash replacement theory, applies to Vodafone Idea, or V as it is now known. I'm also going to talk about 4 reasons why I believe good days and new highs are ahead for Vodafone Idea in the days to come, no matter what the paid media outlets may want you to think. So let's start by talking about what is cash replacement theory. In the movie The Big Bull, Hemant Shah, played by Abhishek Bachchan, and inspired by the real-life Big Bull Harshad Mehta, says that the real value of a business isn't determined by its current price. Forget about the price. Instead, imagine how much it's going to cost to replace that business. That replacement cost is the actual value of the business. And that is the cash replacement theory. Now, how does this apply to Vodafone Idea? Well, it'll take at least 3 lakh crores. That's right, you heard that correctly, 3 lakh crores just to replace this business. Now, how do I know this? If you go to screen.in, you will find that its asset value is over 2,12,000 crores and its debt is over 1 lakh crores. 1 lakh crore. Check out this screenshot where I have highlighted the debt and its current asset value. Seen it? Now you know about the real value of Vodafone Idea, and don't worry about its debt. Its rival Airtel, which is of course much bigger in size according to the media, it has a bigger debt, that is 159,000 crore. And again, you can check this on screener.in. So let's talk now about the 4 reasons why I think good days and new highs are ahead for Vodafone Idea. Number 1, V is buying spectrum, which means it's not closing. Number 2, V is paying its dues before time, which means it is not out of money. Number 3, they are getting into the IoT business, which clearly means that they are thinking about expansion. And finally, number 4, they aren't paying AGR dues on time, which means they have a strong base for their case in the SC about the recalculation of the AGR dues that they need to pay. All of this means that new highs and better days are ahead for the company. You just have to have some good old patience and wait it out. So that's it for now, folks. If you found this video of value, please hit the like button, share it widely, and don't forget to subscribe to Succeeding. Bye for now.